Most drivers are ignoring thousands of dollars in hidden features that could save them money, stress, even their lives. One of them might stop a $3,000 engine breakdown. Another one could literally get you out of a car stuck in gear. And the best part, you already own these features. Let's count down the 17 secret car features no one talks about, but you need to use right now. Feature 17. Advanced Key Fob Functions. Your car key fob does much more than lock and unlock. Hold the unlock button on many Hyundai, VW, and Kia models, and all the windows roll down. In Chevy, GMC, or BMW, hold the lock button to fold mirrors. For Toyota, Lexus, or Mazda, press lock twice, then hold on the third click to start your car remotely. Even some BMWs activate it with 3 quick lock presses. Some fobs have a hidden mechanical key inside, and a few offer remote parking. You already own these features. Use them to save time, stay cool, and boost convenience. Feature 16. Engine Bay Color Codes. Under your hood lies a secret guide. Colors. Bright caps like yellow, blue, or red mark safe-to-touch parts, oil, windshield washer fluid, or coolant. These are for basic maintenance. But dark-colored parts, like gray or black, usually indicate components like the engine or transmission. Hands off unless you're a mechanic. This simple color code helps you avoid costly mistakes, like adding fluids to the wrong area or damaging delicate systems. Understanding this visual system can save you from unnecessary repairs and hundreds in service costs. It's smart, it's built in, and almost no one pays attention to it. Feature 15. Secret storage spots. Your car may be hiding compartments you never knew existed. Take the Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's known for having at least one hidden space the company doesn't even advertise. Volkswagen Golfs often have storage under the driver's seat. The Toyota Hilux comes with a cool box in the dashboard, perfect for long road trips. Meanwhile, the Infiniti G35 hides a compartment in the rear armrest, ideal for stashing emergency tools or valuables. These secret spots are designed for privacy and safety, giving you a place to hide things from thieves, or just to keep your car more organized. The best part? They're built in and free to use. Feature 14. Smart Tire Fill Notification. Tired of guessing when your tires are full? Nissan, Jeep, and GMC vehicles feature an easy fill tire alert system. Just put the car in park, turn the ignition on, and start inflating the tire. The lights flash as air is added. Once the tire hits the correct PSI, the car honks. If you go too far, it honks again and flashes the hazard lights, telling you it's overinflated. No need for a pressure gauge. This feature saves time and ensures your tires are always at safe levels, improving fuel efficiency, handling, and tire life. It's smart, simple, and most people have no idea it exists. Feature 13. Fuel door direction arrow. Ever pulled into a gas station and guessed wrong about which side your fuel tank is on? Avoid the awkward stretch across the car by looking at your fuel gauge. Right next to the little gas pump icon, there's a tiny arrow pointing either left or right. That's the side your gas cap is on. It's a small detail, but when you're in a rush, driving a rental, or using someone else's car, it saves time, embarrassment, and confusion. This handy feature has been standard in most cars for decades, yet many drivers still don't know it's there. Feature 12. Gas cap holder. Here's a feature that could prevent a $3,000 repair bill. Most gas tank doors come with a built-in gas cap holder, a small hook or slot where you can safely rest your cap while fueling. But many drivers let the cap dangle, which causes scratches and allows dirt and debris to get into the fuel system. Over time, this can clog injectors, damage the fuel pump, and even lead to engine failure. Others place the cap on the roof or trunk, picking up grime that ends up in the tank. Just using the holder protects your engine and your wallet. Feature 11. Manual glare reduction. Ever been blinded by the headlights of the car behind you? That tiny tab under your rearview mirror is a manual anti-glare switch. Flip it, and the mirror tilts slightly, reducing glare and helping you see better at night. This feature has existed for decades, but many drivers don't use it. In newer cars, digital rearview mirrors take it even further. They use cameras and screens to automatically reduce glare. Some models also include adaptive headlights, which adjust brightness and angle depending on traffic. These technologies drastically improve nighttime visibility, reduce eye strain, and make driving safer for everyone, especially older drivers or those with sensitive eyes. Feature 10. Cold weather warnings. When temperatures drop, roads become dangerous, fast. That's why many vehicles include a frost warning light, often shaped like a snowflake. In Volkswagen, the light activates at 39 degrees 4 degrees. In Toyota, it's 37 degrees 2.8 cells. It starts yellow and turns red when conditions worsen. These lights warn of black ice, which is nearly invisible and incredibly dangerous. Volvo takes it even further with connected safety, where your car gathers icy road data and shares it with other Volvos nearby. It's like crowdsourced safety. Ignoring these signals could result in serious accidents, especially in early mornings or shaded roads. So when the snowflake appears, slow down, stay alert, and don't take chances. Feature 9. Neutral override switch. What happens if your car battery dies while parked in gear? Most people think they're stuck and call a tow truck, but many cars actually include a manual gear release, also known as a neutral override switch. Look near your gear shifter for a small, removable plastic tab. Pry it open with your key or a screwdriver. Inside is a button. Press and hold it while shifting into neutral. This lets you move the car, even with a dead battery. It's a lifesaver if your car is blocking traffic, stuck in a parking spot, or needs to be pushed onto a tow truck. Learn where it is now before you're in a rush later. Feature 8. Hidden physical key. Modern key fobs are great until their battery dies. Then what? Most people panic, but the solution is simple. There's a hidden metal key inside nearly every fob. Just press the small release button and pull the key out. Now look under the driver's door handle. You'll find a removable plastic cap hiding the keyhole. Pry it off and you can unlock your car manually. This feature is especially helpful in emergencies or during cold weather when electronics fail. It's a simple backup system, but one that could be the difference between being stranded or back on the road in minutes. Feature number 7. Interior monitoring mirror. If you've ever driven with kids or pets in the back, this feature is gold. Many SUVs and minivans, like the Toyota Highlander, Honda Odyssey, and GMC Yukon, come with a hidden conversation mirror. It's usually tucked inside the sunglasses holder above your rearview mirror. Flip it down, and you get a wide-angle view of passengers in the back. No need to twist around or take your eyes off the road. This helps you monitor kids or chat safely while driving. It's especially handy for parents, Uber drivers, or anyone with frequent backseat passengers. Most people don't even know it's there, but once you use it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Feature 6. Adaptive cruise control sensors. Adaptive cruise control is a game changer. Unlike traditional cruise control, ACC uses sensors to keep a safe distance from the car in front. It automatically speeds up or slows down to match traffic flow. Most modern vehicles, from Honda to Ford to BMW, offer it as standard or optional. But here's the catch. These sensors are usually located on the front bumper or grille, and they stop working when covered in snow, dirt, or bugs. That makes the system unreliable in bad weather. Before using ACC, always clean your bumper sensors. It's a brilliant safety tool, but only when maintained. A dirty sensor could cause more harm than good. Feature 5. Brake Boost Assist. In emergencies, most drivers don't slam the brakes hard enough. That's where Emergency Brake Assist, EBA, kicks in. When it senses a panic stop, like slamming the pedal suddenly, it automatically adds extra pressure to bring you to a halt faster. This can prevent rear-end collisions and is especially useful in urban driving. Some cars now go a step further with automatic emergency braking, AEB. The car brakes for you if it detects an imminent crash. However, like ACC, these systems don't work well in darkness or heavy rain, so don't rely on them blindly. They're tools, not substitutes for alert driving. Feature 4. Infrared night vision. Want to feel like Batman? Night vision systems use infrared sensors to detect heat signatures from animals, people, or obstacles, well before your headlights can see them. Found in luxury models like the BMW X5, Mercedes S-Class, Audi A8, and even some Cadillacs, night vision displays a thermal image on your dashboard, helping you spot dangers hundreds of feet away. There are two types. Active uses light emitters up to 600 feet, and passive detects body heat up to 1,000 feet. While this feature isn't common in economy cars, aftermarket systems exist if you want the upgrade. It's expensive, but for frequent night drivers, it could be life-saving. Feature 3. fatigue monitoring system. You may not know it, but your car is watching your eyes, face, and driving patterns. If you drift between lanes, blink too often, or your head starts to nod, the fatigue monitoring system activates. It might flash a coffee cup icon, beep, or display a message like, "Take a break." Found in many Subaru, Mercedes, and VW models, it's designed to prevent accidents caused by driver drowsiness, a factor in thousands of crashes every year. Some systems even learn your habits over time. If you're on a long road trip or driving late at night, this little reminder could be the difference between staying safe or nodding off behind the wheel. Feature number 2, green light prediction alerts. Hate waiting at red lights? Some modern cars, especially Audis and BMWs, have traffic signal prediction systems. They connect to city infrastructure and display a countdown until the light turns green. Others, like Subaru, give you a gentle beep when the car in front starts moving. This helps reduce delays caused by distracted driving. While it may sound minor, studies show that quicker reactions at lights can reduce traffic jams and improve safety. This feature is part of advanced driver assistance systems and is becoming more common in newer models. It's not a must-have, but it makes city driving a little smoother and keeps you alert without being stressed. Feature 1, crash safety structures. How can a car look totally destroyed and the driver walks away with a scratch? That's the power of crumple zones and safety cells. Invented by Mercedes-Benz in the 1950s, this design is now standard in all modern cars. The front and rear of the vehicle are engineered to absorb impact during a crash, while the middle safety cell stays intact to protect passengers. These areas deform on purpose, absorbing kinetic energy that would otherwise be transferred to the driver and passengers. This hidden feature has saved millions of lives, yet most drivers don't realize their car is built like a fortress, with smart destruction that protects.